Hi, my name is Niluufer Jain and I'm the founder of the Happy Career Project. Today, I'm going to be sharing some information about the professional course Law. Simply put, law is a course that helps you to understand the legal framework of the country. It helps you to understand the constitution as well as the judiciary system of the country and be a part of it. So how does one pursue law? Well, the first step is pursuing a bachelor's. Now, there are two ways to go about it. You can either enter law by having an undergraduate degree and clearing an entrance exam, or you could pursue a 5-year integrated program. In both of the approaches, you need to be able to clear the entrance exam, which is commonly known as CLAT, Common Law Admission Test. Once you've finished your bachelor's, you need to finish your master's. In order to pursue LLM, you need to have 55% in your LLB as well as clear an entrance test. Some of the most popular entrance exams for LLM are AIBE All India Bar Entrance Exam, or the IELT All India Law Entrance Exam, or the ones conducted by Aligarh Muslim University, IP University, Delhi University, Allahabad University, and a few others. Once you've finished your master's, you need to enroll with the State Bar Council. And you need to clear the entrance exam of the All India Bar Council in order to be called an advocate and be a practicing lawyer. So now you have got your license to practice as a lawyer. Which are the areas that you can work in? Well, the good part is that you as a lawyer can work in multiple areas. You can work in private practice, in government practice, or be a part of the judiciary system. Some of the common areas where you can work in are with law firms, consultancies, finance, corporate, media houses, NGOs, international organizations like UN, UNICEF, World Bank. You can work with FMCGs. So the idea is you can work in multiple areas, and you can work in multiple job profiles, like you can work as an advocate, or you can work as a legal counselor, or you can work as a legal advisor, or if you have your own law firm, you can be a partner. The average salary package for anyone who enters law and pursues his master's is somewhere between 2 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum in the initial starting of the career. Of course, as you grow up the career curve and go up the career ladder, you're going to be earning more. The most important part to know about practicing law is there are few personality traits that are very essential to have if you want to be a lawyer. For example, you need to have excellent communication skills. You need to have mental endurance capability in order to be able to absorb so much information. You should have excellent negotiation skills. You should have a command over different languages. You should be able to be persuasive so that when you are representing your client in a courtroom or you're getting a contract signed, you are the one who wins it for your client. Some of the areas that you can practice in law and specialize in are constitutional law, human rights law, family law, taxation law, corporate and government law, international trade and business law, intellectual property law, insurance law, environmental law, as well as jurisprudence. So now that you have understood about law, let's hope to see you become a lawyer soon. If you like this video, please do like and share.